Everyone has a ringtone, whether you like it or not. It's a constant reminder of a call, a notification, or a work to be done on time. Sometimes I hear them and I feel like dancing, to be honest. So I decided why not to make them danceable and beatbox over them. So here it goes. Let's go! All these vocals are produced live with my voice and just my voice. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, leave down your comments below and subscribe to the channel.